today's video, I'm going to talk about procrastination and putting things off. And it's not really good to do that. Procrastination is a habitual and intentional delay of tasks or actions, often resulting in a postponement of importance of responsibilities. And it involves the avoidance of immediate obligations, leading individuals to put off necessary activities or assignment despite knowing that such delay may have negative consequences. Procrastination is characterized by a tendency to prioritize short-term pleasure or relief over long-term goals and productivity. This behavior pattern can be driven by various factors including fear of failure, lack of motivation, difficulty in decision-making, or a perception of tasks of overwhelming. Ultimately, procrastination undermines effective time management and can impede personal and professional success. So, in this video, I want you to watch this video that I'm going to play right now. And these are going to give you some tips on how to overcome procrastinating things in life that are important, and then you haven't got the chance to get it done yet. But it is so important because if you procrastinate, it stops you from your productivity, it stops you from becoming successful, and I want you all to be successful. So let's watch that video right now.
To put an end to procrastination, one must first understand its roots and triggers. Identifying the underlying reasons for delaying tasks can be a crucial step in overcoming this habit. Procrastination often stems from fear of failure, lack of motivation, or feeling overwhelmed. By acknowledging these factors, individuals can develop targeted strategies to address each one. For instance, breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable steps can alleviate the sense of overwhelm, while setting realistic goals and cultivating a positive mindset can help combat the fear of failure. Understanding the psychological aspects of procrastination is key to developing effective solutions. Creating a structured and organized environment is another essential element in conquering procrastination. A clutter-free and well-organized space can contribute to a clearer mind and increased focus. Implementing time management techniques, such as the Pomodoro technique, can also be effective. By breaking work into focused intervals and incorporating short breaks, individuals can maintain concentration and prevent burnout. Establishing a routine and setting specific deadlines for tasks can further instill a sense of discipline, helping to overcome the tendency to postpone responsibilities. Lastly, developing a sense of accountability and seeking support can significantly impact one's ability to overcome procrastination. Sharing goals with a friend, colleague, or mentor can create a sense of responsibility, making it more likely for individuals to follow through on their commitments. Additionally, finding a reliable accountability partner or joining a community with similar aspirations can provide encouragement and shared experiences. Combining self-awareness, organizational strategies, and a supportive network can pave the way for lasting change and help individuals break free from the cycle of procrastination.